Industrias Ferri was founded in 1965 with the aim of satisfying the increasing demand for auxiliary deck equipment in shipbuilding. Since then, some 37 years have passed and Industrias Ferri has become one of the main references in this sector. The reasons for such success are a direct result of its policy of encompassing quality, innovation, experience and professional standards. Over the years, Industrias Ferri has increased its market prestige, gaining a firm place among the leaders in the field due to the undeniable quality and resistance of its product range. More than mere words, Industrias Ferri equipment is certified to ISO 9001 standards and backed by Lloyd's Register Quality Assurance and the American Bureau of Quality Evaluation, thus offering maximum guarantees of reliability in production and equipment. It must be said that in Industrias Ferri nothing is left to chance. We well know the efforts required to maintain a high level of quality. For this very reason, we are constantly updating our equipment, thus complying with the strict demands of an ever-evolving industry. The ample experience achieved by Industrias Ferri in design and manufacture of naval equipment has allowed us to take on, as from 1985 with great success, the manufacture of multiple drilling tackle for straight cuts in granite blocks. The special advantages offered by our Ferri F3H drill, working in conjunction with other important equipment such as diamond cutters and heavy tonnage mechanical loaders, are both maximum usage of extracted material in ornamental granite quarry work on the one hand and the dimensional perfection of the blocks, quarried at minimum cost, on the other. We can now see a typical example of cutting and squaring of granite blocks with the Ferri F3H hydraulic perforator, carried out on site at the Bloc de Gal quarry in Porriño, Spain. The aim was to slice off a section measuring 5.7 by 3.6 by 2.7 meters by a lateral diamond cut and rear manual perforation. The base was severed with explosive, making use of the rock's natural inclination to ease it off. The 55 cubic meter mass was split into two main parts of approximately 5.7 by 3.6 by 1.35 meters, thus requiring some 60 perforations to a depth of 60 centimeters at 18 centimeter intervals with the Ferri F3H, and then inserting metal wedges. With the first piece resting on its rugged side, 3 cuts were drawn to obtain 4 blocks, 2 measuring 2.5 by 1.8 meters and 2 3.2 by 1.8 meter blocks. In total, the 3 cuts required 77 perforations spaced at approximately 12 centimeters, 25 of which were to a depth of 130 centimeters and the other 52 at only 60 centimeters, due to the rock's natural configuration easing the operation with this system of drilling. All in all, perforation and splitting the 4 blocks took 80 minutes. Once transported, the rugged faces were removed by perforation. The smaller blocks requiring 19 drills and the larger ones 27, all to a depth of 1.6 meters. All 4 faces were cleaned in 70 minutes. As seen in this example, Ferri perforators are equally feasible for up to 7 meter face cuts, and also for squaring off very irregular rocks for obtaining perfectly straight blocks. The Ferri F3H hydraulic perforator is a highly versatile tool, adaptable to very different conditions, thus easing quarry work with such examples as large production rate from 700 to 1000 meters of drilling per day at speeds of up to 1 meter per minute, low fuel consumption per drilled meter, 0.2 litres compared with 0.7 litres of diesel used by pneumatic hammers driven by portable compressors. Increased useful life of bits, up to 450 meters of drilling with integral 7/8 32mm bits, requiring just 6 regrinds to complete usage. Absolutely no bit breakages, they stay cold during the drilling process. No presence of dust, thanks to waste being constantly removed by pressurized water. The equipment is completely autonomous, free from trailing pipes, which would limit its movements around the quarry. Automatic production and work time registering, both in total and individual hammer values for daily records or total performance. Our own maintenance team with specialized mechanics and an up-to-date spare parts warehouse for speedy delivery. Undoubtedly important advantages in day-to-day activity. At Industrias Ferri, we manufacture perforating equipment with between 1 and 5 pneumatic or hydraulic hammers. The reason being that our expertise allows us to adapt our equipment to specific individual requirements. The keys to Ferri's success are simple: experience, innovation, quality and full attention to our clients. The keys that have allowed us to attain important product presence on the Spanish market and at the same time expand our presence at international level. Consider this: Industrias Ferri is committed to customer satisfaction and offering our clients only the best equipment.